We're gonna camp out overnight. It's been forever. Need to get situated with my Jeep camper now too. I also converted the back into a camper, so no more back seats again because we need the space for the doggos. What's going on, guys? We're back with more adventures finally. Sorry for the long hiatus. Life, man, you know, shit just happens sometimes. In any case, we're back hoping for more adventures. My doggos ready to go. Right, Marge? Right, mamas? Yeah, they've been itching to get out of the house, especially this guy. Right, Bubba's? In any case, we came to the beach. Also, instead of being the usual surf content, which the water is always flat anyways, I decided not to and just take a chill session for today, especially since there was a shark attack like 2 weeks ago. Like, lady on this same island, a couple miles down, got chomped on her calf.
According to South Padre Island officials, a man was taken to the hospital with a shark bite to his leg, but that wasn't the only attack that beachgoers would experience that day. The shark then bit a second victim and grazed a third. A fourth swimmer was also injured while fending off an attack.
And like knee-high water, bro. That shit crazy. I'm like, nope, I'm putting my board in that water for a while. In any case, I decided to focus this on the doggos. Give them their walk, stretch their legs. Let's see how that goes. Let's get it, y'all. Alright guys, so let me show you my project from last weekend. So I gutted the rear seats again and put in a wooden platform so I can use this as a camper space. Well, really it's more for the dogs. As you can see the dog bed right there. But yeah, we just need the space for the doggos and more wiggle room when I need to hunker down inside the Jeep. It's awesome now because now I got even more storage inside the Jeep because the rear seats are just a waste of space. So for example, this side of my Jeep, I have camping essentials like chair, blanket, and like blackout covers for the windows, you know, for my privacy. And people being weird, staring. Why do people do that? Finally, we can eat. Hey, babies. Oh, the baby's ready for the munch. Over here. Grab up over here, baby. Come on, sit. Sit, chill. Chill, find your spot. Find your spot. Chill. Good job. Good job, mama. Oh my God. I haven't had Whataburger in forever. As you can see, guys, we're just having a chill camp sesh this time around. Not worrying too much about like having a perfect camp session. I mean, I have Whataburger to start off. Oh, woo. And for late night dinner, I have just a simple sandwich, chips, and a drink. Oh, son, it's gonna go hard. All right, y'all, I'm gonna finish my meal. In the meantime, enjoy this view with some B-roll. Alright guys, so I'm gonna send out my drone out for a bit before it gets too dark. Do some shark spotting, see if we find some fins out there. Yeah, just sharking about. Right, mamas? That's why I'm not getting in. I don't want to lose a calf today. Alright guys, sun's already setting and I'm just giving my doggos their last walk before it's nightfall. I think I'm just gonna use the cabin, try out my new camper on the cabin, and I mean it's just flat and spacious, and I have my Cabela topper, so it should be an easy bed right there. And I think my doggos are just gonna sleep outside the Jeep and take in the breeze, you know. And I figured, you know what, I'm gonna let them, cause you know, let them enjoy their doggo life. Right, babies? And then I'll just have my door wide open right there, facing them, just to make sure everything's good. In any case, I'm excited to try out the new camper. We're gonna see how it fares overnight, first try. Should be a chill night, because lately, man, it's been hot, but the sea breeze is coming in pretty nice. Alright guys, it's 10 p.m. Gonna start setting up for the night. So as you can see, the inside of the Jeep cabin's pretty bare, which is great, because at times like this, when the awning is not gonna work, I can just use the cabin. Boom. One Cabela foam top and one doggy bed, but I think the dogs are gonna sleep outside. Yeah, since I have like handy storage now, I will start setting up these inserts. F all these lights. F all these headlights, man. It's the worst when you're trying to get sleeping. Alright, yeah, that's the front. So that's my front privacy windshield privacy cover And then I got some for the doors. I'm probably just gonna put the outer layer. Yep, here we go. That goes, that's the driver. And passenger, and then I have a mesh on that one, so no suction cup there, which is fine. And boom, slides back in. Alright guys, I posted up my reflectors. Now I got privacy and some peace from them damn headlights. God damn. Tide's getting awfully close. Gonna have to keep an eye on that. Damn it, I forgot about the USB. It's in the sand. But alright guys. Putting up those blinds. Worked up a appetite. So I got my sandwich ready. With an Arizona. Oh yeah. Gonna munch. Alright guys, in the cabin of the Jeep, hunkering down, gonna snack on my dinner. I packed light tonight. Like I said, today was just like a chill session. So for tonight, I'll just be having a simple turkey sandwich with some chips and a drink. So gonna munch on that and then just stargaze a bit and see if I find any mysterious spooky lights to film, you know, see what's up. But alright guys, let's get to munching. Not gonna lie, I was looking down on the sandwich when I was making it. I was like, man, I was short on time, but it's coming in clutch. Yep, there they go with their damn lights. Sorry, y'all. I knew it, man. I knew it. Trats. Big old rig just pulled up right there. You can see the lights on the back. On my back window right there to my right. Damn it. Hopefully they don't wake me up at night. And the reason I'm filming with the red light is because my eyes got adjusted to like the darkness out here. So like regular white is just too bright, guys. I'm sorry. Just trying to keep it chill here. Gonna have to go dark now, guys. Cause yeah, they can see what I'm doing. Don't like that. Good morning. I knocked out inside the Jeep camper. It was pretty comfortable. My babies didn't want to join me. Well, Luna joined me for a good day. Where's Mama? Mars was like, nope. Mars stayed outside the whole time. Alright, gang, the sun's heating up and it's still just like before 8 a.m. So, gonna start packing up shortly because I know the Huskies are already avoiding the sun. So, yeah, soon it'll be too hot for us. So, I'll be heading out soon. Sorry, you guys, it was very uneventful but chill session. Um, Camper was great. Slept very comfortable in it compared to having rear seats just folded down. So looking forward to more weekend camp out sessions here at the island. I know my pups are gonna love it. And also, it's about time I start training them off leash. And as you can see, they are currently unbound. And they are doing great. Mostly because they're tired, but I feel we're at that level. We can start working on off-leash training, which is gonna help us in the long run on more adventures like this. Because I don't have to be tied to the hip to them. But in any case, guys, that's it for today. And as always, take it easy, stay wild. See you guys on the next one.